Passes out one slow out the sky full of stars. Here the executive reconstruction is Arias and Royal Chica. Hidden Eagle, Aba Natalia comes next. Sky full of stars. Then followed by number 3, Words of Wisdom, Show and Tell, and trailing the group is Her Highness. We have the executive, the leader by about 2 lengths, Aba Natalia, moving about the outside reconstruction. Hidden Eagle is racing out down on the inside for the Sky full of stars in fifth, Royal Chica. Then comes Words of Wisdom, Show and Tell, and Her Highness is still racing in last. And that's still the executive by about 2 lengths, Aba Natalia. Here comes Hidden Eagle in third, reconstruction is on the outside for the Sky full of stars and Royal Chica. The executive, Aba Natalia, now moving about the outside to take the lead. It's now Aba Natalia, Hidden Eagle now in second. A Sky full of stars, reconstruction. Aba Natalia, a Sky full of stars. Hidden Eagle is on the outside as they come down to the last of the day. A Sky full of stars. Aba Natalia is on the outside, Hidden Eagle. Here comes Words of Wisdom, a Sky full of stars. Natalia is on the outside, a Sky full of stars. Aba Natalia, Words of Wisdom on the outside, but it's still a Sky full of stars. Aba Natalia, Words of Wisdom, Hidden Eagle, then comes the executive.
Okay. Ito po, Bayang Karerista sa inyong race number 3, your favorite 8 horse, A Sky Full of Stars po ang ating unofficial winner. Masasegundoan niya ng numero 5, Aba Natalia, numero 3 na si Words of Wisdom, 9 horse, Hidden Eagle. At para sa inyong pentafecta, papasok the executive.